Hey everyone, so today my video is going to be on a basically nail supply kind of thing because I've had loads of requests on this, and what you're seeing now is basically this the storage of my nail. Acrylic, gels, just nail varnish, all that jazz. So yeah, the reason why I'm doing this video is because it's been highly requested after my Amazon video I did. You guys really enjoyed that and has asked for more videos. So there is more nail videos to be uploaded, but this is the video that I'm filming now, obviously. So this is where I keep my nail stuff, and I only keep it in these two drawers. To some people it may seem a lot, to some people it may seem a little. To me it's not that much because, I mean, you can take nails a whole lot further than I have, but this is basically what I've got. So I'll start with the bottom drawer, and this is my wardrobe. So you can see close up here that I've just shifted to the side, and this is basically where I keep my nail stuff because why not? So in the first drawer it looks like this, and this is practically the drawer where I keep my acrylic and monomers, and then I've got brushes, cuticle things, and then tips and glue. So you can see that there's kind of like a pattern with this. So this is like the first steps of doing nails. So the first thing that I'll show you, okay, so the first thing is acrylic. So this is Mia's Secret Clear Acrylic Powder, which is professional grade. So this is quite new, don't mind me, I'm warm. This house is very hot, so I'm not sweaty, it's just I'm warm. Okay, so this is professional grade. This is quite new and it's quite expensive just because obviously it is professional grade. And then along with this, my other acrylics are over here, and this is what you get inside a Amazon kit. So you can see how small this is. This is about, I don't know, £4. This is about £30, depending where you get it from. Some places you can get it cheaper, some places it's more expensive. I think £30 is just about the average. So yeah, I've got this, and then along with all the other acrylics, I've got over here white, pink and clear. So this is like basically just building up your nails with that kind of stuff and not colouring it, and then this is just clear. So then along with this is I've got UV gel, which I absolutely hate using gel, and because it gets everywhere, so I've had to put masking tape around it to stop it from getting everywhere. And at the back I have 3 different types of monomers. So I have this monomer by, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is Q monomer. This stuff is good, it's cheap, it's cheerful, whatever, but it smells more than any other monomer. And then I have these, so I have 2 of these, which came with the Amazon set again. I got 2 of these, and this has actually lasted me quite a bit. I've never needed to use this one, but I've used this one quite a bit and it's lasted me. And then I have professional grade, which is obviously a lot more expensive. I think this was like £16–17 because this is like a smaller tub. This is professional grade, so it is more expensive. That's about £3 or £4. That's same again, £3 or £4. And then going on to glue, I've got 2 packets of glue here. 2 packets of 5, which, to be honest, I don't think I paid a lot of money from this. I think I got these from Amazon, which are about £4 each, which, I mean, you don't really need the best quality glue because glue is glue, really. And then here I have some tips. Inside here I think I got these in my set from Amazon. I got white tips and clear tips, and in each different colour there's 10 different sizes, and then each bag is 20, so you can make a lot of sets out of there. You can get 40 sets, but that's saying that you haven't gone wrong with any of the other ones or practiced with them or what have you, but 40 sets, that's quite a lot. And I would say these are around, I don't know, £7 to get, like, per colour. So all the white's £7 and then all the clear's £7, but I prefer working with clear. You can also get natural, but I don't have any naturals. And then down here I have lots of different types of brushes. So I've just got, I don't know, just some brushes, different sizes. My favourite size is size 6, just saying. And then down here I also have cuticle things. So I've got 2 cuticle cutters, and then on the other side there you can slice the cuticles off. And then I also have cuticle clippers. And don't mind the lipstick swatches, it's my birthday today, so I've got new lipsticks and I was playing with them. And then in the back I have lots of different little like sequin things. So this is some glitter, some more glitter. This all came in the Amazon set, but I'm going to show you again because there'll probably be new viewers watching this. But if you didn't already see my video, I bought an Amazon set. So this is acrylic powder. This acrylic powder is terrible, absolutely terrible. Don't recommend it at all. But if you didn't see my other videos, I got an Amazon set for £20, which came with a lot of different things, which I totally recommend. If you're thinking about buying it, I've got a video on my channel, which I'll link down below. So that's an overview of my acrylic area and like building the acrylic, and then obviously a few gels, but I don't tend to use gels. And then there's a bit of decoration in there. So moving on to my next drawer. This is the overview of the next drawer, and this is a lot more decoration kind of thing. Okay, then to start off with, in this drawer I have a tin full of nail varnishes. I did have a lot more than this, but I have thrown a lot away. So in here there's a mixture of just nail varnishes, lots of different brands. And then there's also a mixture of gels. So this is a base coat, a top coat, and then here I've got, I don't know, these are quite cheap. Don't recommend these. These aren't very good at all. I don't think I paid a lot of money for these, but these are also UV gels, which you'll need an LED or UV light for. So here consists of lots of different brands. Primark, hold on, can't get that back in. I've got Barry M. I've got Morgan Taylor. But yeah, so lots of different nail varnishes, metallics. And then right at the back, I've got nail varnish remover, Tesco's and Sainsbury's. That's just the stuff I've used. And then in the corner here, I've got dotting tools. So yeah, lots of different types of dotting tools. This is just blue tack at the end of it, just to pick up like little rhinestones and stuff. And then here I have a wheel of rhinestones, another wheel of rhinestones, which I don't tend to use because these are really tacky. I've got this, like, practicing on this nail thing, but I gave it my sister just to like have a go on doing acrylics, because she doesn't do acrylics and she ruined it with the green acrylic. Hence the green acrylic is absolutely terrible. But yes, I don't actually use this very often. That's why I gave it my sister just to play with. And bearing in mind my sister's 18 years old, she just didn't know what she was doing. But yes. And then I also have this stupid thing to get rid of your dust, which actually snapped, and that's how I'll tape back together. But I do actually use it because it still does its job. But yeah, that's that. And then in the corner here I have lots of different types of files. I've got a buffer. I do have another buffing block, but I don't know where that is. And then I have nail forms for doing UV gel, which I haven't used a lot of because I don't do UV gel very often. And then right at the back here I have a UV light by You Spicy, and it has like a 30 second, 60 second, 90 second and a 30-minute button. But to be honest, someone tell me down below why there's a 30-minute button, because I don't know why you would need 30 minutes to cure your nails. That doesn't make sense to me, but I'm sure there's a good reason. So if you do know it, tell me down below, because I don't. And then here I just have like a nail set, which is really handy to have. I've got two of these, and this is from a different set that I had years ago. I do really like to have this because it's handy and it's just good to take to houses and stuff. But I'll just like switch what's in there because I don't always keep the same stuff in there. But yeah, so that was practically the whole of my storage. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys come back next week for my next video if I end up uploading. It probably will be another nail video just because I've got lots of nail things stored up. You guys like watching my nail videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Or I've already said that 3 times, sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Bye.